This question was inspired by the 49th math wizard from the Philippines. And the question goes like this. What is the remainder when x raised to 2023 plus 2023 is divided by x minus 1 squared? You can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, let's answer this question together. So, by the way, my answer to this question is simply 2023x plus 1. Now, the question is how do we get this answer? So, let's have the solution. Alright, to answer this question, let's focus to the given situation. So the question is what is the remainder when x raised to 2023 plus 2023 is divided by x minus 1 quantity squared. Now, if we divide this polynomial to another polynomial, we get a quotient plus a remainder over the divisor. Now, the remainder is a linear. The reason is our divisor is a quadratic. Alright, and we have some quotient right here. So this can be written as q of x plus ax plus b, which is the remainder. This is what we want, all over x minus 1 quantity squared. This is our divisor. Now, what we're going to do here is to eliminate this denominator x minus 1 quantity squared by multiplying all of these terms by x minus 1 quantity squared. If we do that, we get x raised to 2023 plus 2023 equals q of x, the quotient that we don't know, multiplied by x minus 1 quantity squared plus ax plus b. Now, let's focus on this equation. Now, what we're going to do here is to let x be equals to 1. Now, the question is why x equals 1? Why not x equals 2? Now, the reason why x equals 1 because look at this. X minus 1 becomes 0. So 0 times any number is still 0. So it is safe to let x be equal to 1. Now, if we do that, we get 1 raised to 2023 plus 2023 equals q of 1 times 1 minus 1 quantity squared plus a times 1 plus b. Now, 1 raised to 2023 is just 1, and 1 plus 2023 is just 2024. Now, on the right-hand side, 1 minus 1 is just 0. Now, 0 squared is still 0. Now, 0 times any number still 0. And a times 1 is just a. And plus b, so we have 2024 equals a plus b. Now, we have the first equation. We have 2024 equals a plus b. Now, again, our goal is to solve for the value of ax plus b. This is the remainder that we want. So we have a plus b equals 2024. Now, another method that we need to use to get the remainder is we need to differentiate on both sides. So we get the derivative of both sides. Now, the derivative of x raised to 2023 plus 2023, this is just 2023 times x raised to 2022 because the derivative of constant is just 0. Now, on the right-hand side, the derivative of this product, so we will use the product rule, and the derivative of ax plus b, b is gone, and the derivative of ax is just a. So if we differentiate the right-hand side, we get q of x times the derivative of x minus 1 quantity squared. This is just 2 times x minus 1 plus q prime of x, the derivative of the quotient, times x minus 1 quantity squared plus a. Now again, take note, if we let x equals 1, the good thing here is x minus 1 is still 0, and the right-hand side is easy to evaluate because 1 raised to 2022 is just 1, so the right-hand side is just 2023. Now, on the right-hand side, 1 minus 1 is still 0, so 0 times any number is still 0. And also, 1 minus 1 is still 0 times q prime of 1 is still 0. So the right-hand side is just a. Now, we have two equations having a and b. So we know that a equals 2023 And a plus b must be 2024. Now, to get the value of b, let's replace this a by 2023. Now, subtract 2023 on both sides, we get that the value of b must be equal to 1. Now, we have a equals 2023 and b equals 1. And our target is to find ax plus b. So a is 2023 and b is just 1. So the remainder is just 2023x plus 1. And that is the answer. And as always, we are done.